My 5 best savings accounts, recession-proof. There are a lot of things to think about when you're trying to save money, but one of the most important things is to choose the right savings account. With so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. But don't worry, I am here to help. Hey everyone! The current market climate might put some risk-averse investors off from investing in stocks. However, there are still opportunities to grow your wealth without taking on too much risk. In this video, I'll show you my 5 favorite high-yield savings accounts. These are accounts that are FDIC insured, so your money is safe, even if the stock market crashes. A standard savings account is one form of savings account, but there is also a type of savings account known as a high-yield savings account that often offers greater interest rates. The majority of online banks and credit unions offer high-yield savings accounts for their customers to choose from. Because these financial institutions typically do not carry the overhead costs or profit margin requirements of a conventional brick-and-mortar bank, they are able to pass those savings through to their customers in the form of greater interest rates and cheaper fees. The only difference between high-yield savings accounts and standard savings accounts is that high-yield savings accounts often offer greater interest rates and typically have lower or no monthly fees, protection from the FDIC, and a limit on the number of withdrawals or deposits can be found in both regular and high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer a safe and convenient place to store your money and earn a bit of interest on your deposited funds. It isn't always obvious how to choose the finest high-yield savings account, which is why comparing accounts will help you locate the ideal option for you. Before you go ahead and create an account, here are some things you should think about. Interest rate. When selecting a high-yield account, the interest rate is one of the most crucial considerations you should make. If you get a greater interest rate on your savings, you will be able to accumulate them more quickly. Deposit requirements. When you open certain accounts, you might be required to make an initial deposit of a certain minimum amount. It's possible that in order to earn interest or stay clear of monthly fees, you'll need to keep a certain balance. Account fees. The interest you earn on your savings may be nullified by the fees you must pay. Check the fee schedule for the account to see if you will be required to pay a monthly service fee in addition to any other expenses. If you retain a particular amount of money in your bank account, certain banks will waive the costs associated with your account. Compounding frequency. Depending on the financial institution, the interest earned on a savings account may be compounded on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. When interest compounds, you end up earning interest on the interest that you've already earned. I examined and contrasted the biggest banks and/or credit unions by asset size and the high-yield savings accounts they provide in order to identify which significant financial institutions offer high-yield savings accounts with the best return on your money. I only took into consideration savings accounts with an APY of at least 0.40%, no monthly maintenance fees, and no minimum balance limitations. I also compared each savings account on a variety of features, including ease of use and account accessibility, as well as elements like insurance policies and customer reviews when available. I also took into account each account's compound frequency, as well as the consumer's deposit alternatives. More importantly, this list's accounts are all FDIC insured up to $250,000 in total. American Express Bank. The American Express High-Yield Savings Account received my top pick because of its above-average rates, a system that is simple to use, and that it has 24/7 customer support. The current annual percentage yield, APY, on this savings account is 2.75%. There is no required minimum deposit, and there are no fees charged on a monthly basis. The interest on your account is added up on a daily basis and then deposited into it once a month. Customers can effortlessly transfer funds and set up automated deposits from their external bank accounts by simply setting it up online, which should only take a few minutes. Once your external account has been linked, which can take anywhere from 1 to 2 days, the completion time for transfers is typically less than 24 hours. You can choose to get your monthly bill delivered to either your electronic or physical mailbox at no additional cost to you. In addition to providing customer service around the clock, American Express's website features an informative Tips and Tools section that gives users access to a variety of educational resources as well as money-saving ideas. Capital One Bank. Only Capital One, out of all these major financial institutions, has hundreds of brick-and-mortar branch locations that customers can visit in person. Customers can open an account, ask questions, and get financial advice at Capital One cafes, in addition to the bank branches and online access that are already available to them through the company. The current annual percentage yield, APY, for the Capital One 360 Performance Savings Account is 1.50%. There are no minimum balance requirements, and there are no monthly fees. Capital One also provides its customers with the opportunity to open a Capital One 360 checking account that is free of charge and grants access to more than 40,000 ATMs that do not charge a transaction fee. Funds can be moved between linked Capital One accounts or to external bank accounts at any time. They can easily keep their savings growing by setting up direct deposits and automatic transfers into their accounts. Users of the highly rated mobile app offered by Capital One can access their money from any location and deposit checks using the mobile check deposit feature. Through a feature of your online account, known as My Savings Goals, the application makes it easy for you to monitor the progress you've made toward achieving your spending and savings goals. Even if you don't have a Capital One account, you can still take advantage of Capital One's free credit monitoring service, which is known as CreditWise from Capital One. Discover Online Bank. Discover stands out from the competition because it offers an online Discover cashback debit account option as well. This account comes with no monthly fees, cashback on your debit card purchases, and access to over 60,000 ATMs across the country. If you're looking to do all of your banking in one place, Discover is the best choice. The Discover Savings Account comes with a daily interest compounding feature, a monthly interest payout, and an APY of 0.40%. Discover now also provides its customers with the ability to make mobile check deposits, which enables them to quickly deposit a check into their savings account by taking a picture of it with their smartphone or tablet. They can also use the app to transfer money from one account to another, and they can use Quick View to check the balance of their savings account without having to log into their account each time. Sallie Mae Bank. Sallie Mae may be the most recognized bank for its role as a private student loan lender, but the company also provides a range of savings products, such as certificates of deposit, a money market account, and the Sallie Mae High Yield Savings Account. The fact that it offers simple online account management, which includes mobile text banking and mobile text alerts, contributed to its inclusion on this list. This high-income savings account has no minimum balance requirements and does not charge any monthly maintenance fees. In addition, the annual percentage yield, APY, is 0.35%. The interest on your account is accrued on a daily basis and added to the principal on a monthly basis. Users who want to transfer payments electronically or set up direct deposits can do so by linking their external bank account to their Sallie Mae account. They also have the option of using the e-deposit service offered by Sallie Mae. Customers are able to retrieve information about their bank accounts from their mobile devices using text messaging thanks to Sallie Mae's mobile text banking, which is a free service. Users have the ability to inquire about the amount in their accounts, view the most recent 5 transactions, or transfer money between 2 accounts. Customers have the ability to select which mobile text alerts, such as reminder alerts, balance alerts, and transaction alerts, they would like to activate on their accounts. Barclays Bank. Last up, we have the Barclays Online Savings Account, which is a straightforward type of savings account offered by Barclays. It separates itself from the competition because it provides resources to assist you in saving, such as a personal Barclays savings assistant to assist you when you need help achieving your financial objectives. This high-yield savings account does not charge any monthly maintenance fees and does not require a minimum balance to open an account. The annual percentage yield, APY, is currently 0.55%. Through the Barclays mobile app, account holders have the ability to make transfers to and from their linked external bank accounts. Additionally, account holders can set up direct deposit to simplify the process of saving. By taking a picture of your check and uploading it from your desktop computer, laptop, or mobile device, the Deposit Checks feature offered by Barclays enables you to make remote deposits of checks into your savings account. The Barclays Savings Assistant provides a straightforward calculator for customers who may require some assistance conceptualizing the time and resources that will be required to accomplish particular savings objectives. The website provides a drop-down menu where users can select their objective for saving money, such as putting money away for college, a trip, or retirement as well. A savings account that offers a high rate of return is a good choice if you want to get the most out of the money you put away for the future. Compare the interest rates offered by a number of different accounts, as well as other aspects of the accounts, such as the fees and minimum deposits required, to find the best option for you personally. What are your thoughts on this list? Do you know any good banks that offer great deals for customers? Tell me in the comments section below. Additionally, if you're new to this channel, I strongly encourage you to subscribe and click the like button. You can also keep up with all of my most recent videos. See you in the next one.